Good morning. So, start of a new week. We're starting a new town, start a new project, start of new weather. So it's a new one. We are working in Massapequa, right around the corner from us. We are building back here a cool setup. We have a large pond, a wetland, intake bay, stream, landscape lighting, and plants and aquatics. We're getting a whole bunch of everything for this one. So we're excited because we've got about the next 3 weeks here. So it will put us in the time frame where we get this done, and then it'll be off to Pondo. So I am gonna go in. I gotta mark this out. The guys got stuff delivered this past week here. We've got some boulders delivered here, nice size chunks, some really fun stuff that I've been hoarding for a good job. I gotta start digging this out. Guys got it prepped. They got all the grass cut out, areas cleaned up. Let's go make a mess. I'm excited. Here's our work site. Got all the sod cleaned out. I'm gonna lay this out, and of course it wouldn't be another week without it raining. And same point, the guys are getting us in. Of course, this fence was set in amongst the tree that grew in around it and heavily cemented in, so they're working to get ourselves in. Hey, so it's lunchtime, and guess what? It is raining for the third time. Made some good progress. Lots of roots we're pulling out of here. Some weird electric wire. We've got our wetland area about there. That's all dug out. We've got our first shelf carved in over here. We're spreading our soil. Next, I've got to dig this intake area over here and raise this grade, because we've got about 8 inches of pitch from there to here, so we got to bring this height up. So, made progress. Hopes is we'll get all these shelves cut in by the end of today. So here's our progress we had yesterday. We got this all carved in, all the shelves done, the intake bay, we got the basics of it carved. The guys are finishing it up right now. They're getting everything perfectly flat so we can put in underlayment and liner in there. And then I'm in the machine helping them because they've got the wetland here, which is going to be the filtration end of this. They're getting this all dug in. So we have our snorkel and centipede and aqua blocks. That's getting all set as well, and then we're going to get this leveled out, because then we'll get that part. So the hopes is we get everything all prepped, liner, underlayment, everything in this area, in the middle area, and over there, all done today. This is our wetland. So the way it's being constructed is this has all been dug out in here. We've got a snorkel that goes in, and then a centipede. This goes down in the bottom of it. This will sit in there with liner and underlayment, and then on top of it, it'll have aqua blocks and gravel. That'll bring it up, and then the height will bring you up to over here to where we have a waterfall that cascades into the pool. This is the filtration end of this system. Very efficient, cleans the water very well. All the debris and sediments stay at the bottom. So what you do is you take that lid off, you drop a pump down in there, and you clean all the debris and sediment that comes out. On the opposite side, over here, you build an intake bay. So in here, we'll have boulders, and down below in there is the aqua blocks and a vault. And so the water will come up and in there and drop down into the vault. And the pump will take we'll take it around here into the jets. The other one will go around into a waterfall back here. And then the other pump will come around this side, back into your wetland, down in there. So this is how the water is drawn in. Just so you know what we're doing, if you have not done it before, you don't have experience, we are seaming our underlayment. So our manufacturer or our local distributor supplies us with underlayment that's only 7.5 feet wide. Obviously this is a big project, we have a lot of it. So we seam our underlayment to make it easier for putting the liner, to not have to worry about if we lose it somewhere underneath when we're dropping, 25 by 80 feet of liner. So it's a real simple technique. Propane torch, a couple of guys, we have it laid out. And so you go down and you heat and you warm it up a bit and you press it down. And basically you're melting and binding the two together. If you're new to it, it's not really a hard technique. Get out there, play, try it. Or if you're around one of us, ask someone and we'll show you how to do it. So I'll just show you. So Dan's got it folded back here. So we're just gonna get a light burn on it, start to get it to melt, and then he's gonna push them together. Then we'll go back and we'll continue. Underlayment's in. We are unrolling this 100-foot roll of liner. Guys are working on getting that side secure so I can swing this out and swing it all the way across through the pond into the intake bay. So we're doing a single piece just because it worked out that it was just, we'd be cutting a little piece here and there and didn't pay. It is the end of day 2. Great progress was made. We got all the areas dug. Wow, my hair is really bad today. All the areas are dug out. All the areas are prepped. Underlayment in, liner is in, intake is ready, wetland is ready. Tomorrow we've got to put in some underlayment in the intake and the wetland so we can get those, get the aqua blocks, get the vault, get the snorkel, all that, because that was all ready and done. It was a hot one, but the guys did really good. We will get those buttoned up tomorrow. We've got some rocks coming tomorrow. Still not the rocks we need. We need our boulders and stuff. I have some really nice big stuff out there, but the stuff for the lower and the middle shelf, don't have it yet. Our supplier, his truck broke down, then a part broke, and then it poured the other day. So a little bit of everything. So hopefully tomorrow, maybe. If not, I'll keep my fingers crossed. So it is Wednesday, and yesterday we made good progress in here. We are gonna get underlayment in here. We're gonna get the wetland and intake bay all situated this morning, and then we're gonna start rocking out the bottom here. So it's gonna be hot again. So by lunch we're going to be having to hose ourselves down because this liner is going to get hot. We're going to work and try and work with the sun a bit. We're going to work over here in the little shadier spot, work back there later, and by the end of the day that should be in some shade. Yesterday it never got cool at night. It was after 10 o'clock and it was still in the mid-80s and like 100% humidity. So got a breeze at the moment. Hope that'll work well with us, but we're gonna start moving. So it is just after lunchtime. Everyone just sat and had some lunch. We got our intake bay pretty well finished over here. Dan's been down in the bottom, rocking out the bottom shelf. The fish cave is in over there. He's got a bunch of material there, and then we've got material on the edge that this is the smallest stuff we have that we're going to finish setting some of these spots for him. So I'm going to start strapping and dropping these in. The guys have some rocks that fell on the side. They're going to pull those out like they're doing right now. We're going to flip this liner back in, backfill, and then I'm going to get some boulders set around our vault and stuff and drop some big boulders down in there.